Hello students, welcome once again in our English lecture. You know that in our English textbook we have covered the first text, that is, on to the summit we reach the top. Now we are turning towards the section 2. In the section 2 there are poems. We have to go through the poems. At first we are going through 2.1, that is Cherry Tree. This is the title of the poem, Cherry Tree. Before going to discuss the poem line by line, we have to discuss here some activities that are given in icebreakers as a preparation. See there first what is given. Trees are revered because. Revered means respectful. Trees are respectful because. We have to provide here the reasons. Why do we worship trees? Why trees are very important? What is the importance of trees? We have to discuss the answer of this question here. Trees are revered because the first point is given, that is, they give us joy. Yes, trees give us joy. You know that trees beautify the nature. We can call nature shows itself in trees. First point is given, they give us joy. Second point, trees keep balance of the environment. Yes, this is the important point. Trees keep balance of the environment. Number 3, trees prevent soil erosion, flood and landslide. Okay. Next, trees provide us natural products, blooms, new oxygen and shade. Right. Next, trees provide humans with many needs such as shelter, food, oxygen, etc. You know that trees are very helpful for us. Without trees, no life. Okay? We have to worship the trees because there is very important role of trees in our life. Now the next, see here. See here, column A shows your involvement in growing a tree as well as the stages in the life of a tree. Column B shows the feelings you experience at all the stages. Match them appropriately. In column A, what is given? Column A shows our involvement in growing a tree. Okay. We involve in growing a tree as well as the stages in the life of a tree. Column A indicates us the stages in the life of a tree or our involvement in growing a tree. Column B shows the feelings we experience at the stages. Okay. Column B shows the feelings about our experience at all the stages. We have to match them very appropriately. See here the first. You planted a sapling. Okay. What is its meaning? Sapling means छोटंसं रोपटं. You planted a sapling. When you plant a sapling, that is the beginning of the, or that is the birth of the tree. Correct? You planted a sapling. We have to match this involvement or this stage of life of a tree with the feeling we experience. You planted a sapling. It is match with you wanted to make a humble beginning. Here, you planted a sapling means you wanted to make a humble beginning, correct? Planting a sapling, it is completely connected with the humble beginning, right? Next, you water the plant. You water the plant, it means you cared for it. Here, the number 2 matches with number G. You water the plant means you cared it. Okay. You saw the shoot. You saw the shoot for the first time. Okay. After planting the sapling, you water the plant, and then after few days you will see some shoots, okay, on that sapling, new shoots, okay, for the first time. Okay, this involvement or this stage of life is match with, look there, match with the new experience brought excitement to you. It matches with the new experience brought excitement to you. When we see the new shoots on the tree, that time, that new experience means that new shoot brought the excitement to us. Next, you fence the plant. Okay, it is matched with your motive was to protect it. Okay, to protect the plants, we fence kumpan karne. We fence the plant because our motive is to protect the plant. Okay, we can match here number 4 with yup. Next, the plant gradually saw lush green leaves grow on it. Paha, त्या प्लॅन्टवर लश ग्रीन लीव्ज ग्रो झालेले आहेत. दिस कॅन बी मॅच विथ द कलर symbolizing life, give you a feeling of hope. The plant gradually saw lush green leaves grow on it, matches with the color symbolizing life, give you a feeling of hope. Correct? Because lush green leaves, green that is color, and lush green leaves grow, that gives the feeling of hope. Next number, the tree had birds too. Okay, tree had birds too. Birds means growth on a plant which develops into a leaf, flower or shoot in Marathi, kalya. The tree had birds too, and it is matched with give you a feeling of joy to see the promising future. Correct? Next, birds made a nest on the tree which was fully grown and laden with flowers. Okay, the birds have made a nest on the tree, and the tree is fully grown and it is also laden with flowers. That is matched with you were happy and satisfied because you experienced what you had often heard, that small beginning can lead to great achievement. Okay. The nest and fully growth and the laden of flowers, that is match with the great achievement, correct, and happiness and satisfaction. Now we have to change the page. See here, the page number is 66. Ruskin Bond. The poet of this poem is Ruskin Bond. He is Indian poet. Born in Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh in 1934. Yes, what is given here? His birthplace is given. Ruskin Bond was born in Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh in 1934. He has written hundreds of short stories, essays, novels, and more than 30 books for children. The work of this poet is given here. He has written hundred of short stories, then he has also written essays, novels, and more than 30 books for children. His first novel, The Room on the Roof, written when he was 17, received the John Llewellyn Rhys Memorial Prize in 1957. What is given here? When he was at the age of 17, that time he has written the novel, his first novel, and the title of that first novel is given The Room on the Roof, correct? And this novel has received the John Llewellyn Rhys Memorial Prize in 1957. Okay. Look, his work is very great. He has also published 2 volumes of autobiography. And autobiography means that is written about ourselves, about our life. He has also published 2 volumes of autobiography. First is Scenes from a Writer's Life, and then second is The Lamp is Lit, correct? Then there is a collection of essays and episodes from his journal. In 1992, he received the Sahitya Academy Award for English Writing in India. Yes, his another achievement is given here. He has received the Sahitya Academy Award for English Writing in India. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999. Okay, his next achievement is given, that is Padma Shri. Okay, he was awarded with the Padma Shri in 1999. Ruskin Bond lives with his adopted family in Mussoorie, Uttarakhand. And little bit information is given about his individual life. Ruskin Bond used to live with his adopted family in Mussoorie, Uttarakhand. Now we have to turn towards our poem. The poem Cherry Tree is about the poet's ecstasy over a tree which he planted, which took 8 years to grow. What is given here? The poem title is given Cherry Tree. This poem is about the poet's ecstasy. Ecstasy means a feeling of great happiness. म्हणजेच परमानंद, खूप आनंद होणे. This poem is about the poet's happiness over joyfulness over a tree which he planted, which took 8 years to grow. He planted a tree and that tree took 8 years to grow. That is given in this poem. He is expressing his wonder at the ways of nature and how the cherry blossoms are fragile and quick to fall. Then what is given in this poem? The poet is expressing his wonder. Okay, he becomes wonder at the ways of nature, because nature plays the great role and how the cherry blossoms are fragile. Fragile means easily broken. In Marathi, nazuk, takladu. See what is given. And how the cherry blossoms are fragile. चेरीचा बहर हा किती नाजूक असतो. अँड क्विक टू फॉल, आणि किती लवकर तो खाली पडतो ते दिलंय. द ट्री गिव्स हिम इमेन्स जॉय. इमेन्स मीन्स इन लार्ज अमाउंट. Okay, the tree, that cherry tree, gave him immense joy as he can see the stars and the blue sky through dappled green trees. Here, what is given? Trees give him immense joy, and he sees the trees as the stars and the blue sky, okay, through that dappled means spot marks, ठिपके असलेले dappled green trees. Okay, now we have to go to discuss the poem. Look there, the first 4 lines. Cherry tree, 8 years have passed since I placed my cherry seed in the grass. Must have a tree of my own, I said, and watered it once and went to bed. We have to discuss these first 4 lines. Here poet writes here, 8 years have passed since I placed my cherry seed in the grass. Okay, his first work is given. Poet placed his cherry seed in the grass 8 years ago. Okay. When poet placed that cherry seed in the grass, then he forgot, and then 8 years have passed. Okay. And when he was planting, or he was seeding there that cherry seed, that time he thought that it must have a tree of his own. Correct. When he was going to seed that plant, that time he thought that he must have a tree of his own, and after seeding, he watered it once and then he went to bed. Okay, that is very simple. These 4 lines are very simple. Poet's activity is given. One day, poet placed his cherry seed in the grass, just placed his cherry seed in the grass, okay, 8 years ago, and that time he thought that he must have a tree of his own, correct. That time he watered it once. Once means only one time he watered there, and then he went to bed, okay. That day he worked like this and forgot. But cherries have a way of growing, and then forgot. Writer placed the cherry seed in the grass and then he forgot. But cherries have a way of growing. But cherries try to grow by themselves. Cherries have a way of growing. But cherries, though they don't get care, water from the other, as the rule of nature, they have a way of growing, though no one's caring very much or knowing. There was no caring, okay, because poet forgot. After placing the cherry seed in the grass, the poet forgot, and nobody cared that seed. But cherries have the way of growing. And suddenly that summer, near the end of May, I found a tree had come to stay. And what happened? And suddenly that summer, okay, in that summer, suddenly it was the time of the end of May, correct? It was the time of the end of May. In that summer, suddenly the poet found a tree that had come to stay. Okay, in that summer, at the end of the May, poet found a small tree of that cherry seed in that grass. Correct? Okay. But that tree was very small. Correct? In that grass. As nature wondered. In that grass there was a small tree. Correct? It was very small, 5 months child. That small tree was very tender, very small, like a 5-month child. As we have to take care of 5-month child, that plant was also wanted to take care, but it was very small, lost in the tall grass running wild. It was as small as it lost in the tall grass. Okay. The tall grass that was running wildly, and in that tall grass that cherry plant lost because it was very small as a 5-month child. Goats ate the leaves. The grass cutter Sithi split it apart, and a monsoon blight. See what is given. After placing the seed, the poet didn't care that seed. Okay. And in the wonder of nature, in the work of nature, that seed turned into plant. Correct? There was wild green grass, and in that wild green grass it lost. Goats ate the leaves. What happened that time? Okay, it was so small and it was in the wild grass, and goat ate the leaves. Correct? The plant was facing the outer atmosphere. Nobody was caring that plant. There was no fence. Okay, it was growing in that wild grass. And the another thing was there, goat ate the leaves. Correct? Okay, it was so small, it was so tender, but goats ate its leaves. It was made harmful. It was injured. The grass cutter Sithi. Grass cutter, okay, the tool, the long curved blade at right angle to the long handle used to cut long grass and grain, that is Sithi, cutter. That grass cutter split it apart. The another obstacle in growing, or in that process of growing, the another thing that the plant had faced, that is the grass cutter Sithi and split it apart. Okay. These things that small plant had faced. What were that things? The things were that the poet placed the cherry tree but didn't care. Correct? That cherry tree had its way of growing and it was small, but there was struggle of that cherry tree. Correct? Though it was small like 5 months child, it was making struggle. It was making struggle in that wild tall grass. And then there was another obstacle, like goats ate the leaves of that plant. Then the grass cutter also split it apart. Split means cut, break into parts, म्हणजेच विलग करणे. That grass cutter split it apart. Okay, that these things the small plant faced, and a monsoon blight. Then the monsoon blight. Blight means causing damage. Then the monsoon also made damage to that plant. shriveled the slender stem, even so. Shriveled means dried. The slender stem, that tender stem, dried, okay. Slender means slim. That slim stem, shriveled, dried, all these things were there in his life. It was so small, but though it was small, it had the power to face all that obstacles, and that small plant faced all that situations, correct? Even so. These things are given here in this poem. Now the remaining part of the poem will be discussed in the next lecture. We have to stop here. Thank you.